So what you can actually do inside of Microsoft Planner is to actually go ahead and collaborate with one another. You can go ahead and add comments to tasks as well. So to do that, you can go ahead and open up a particular task, and as you scroll down, you actually see the comment right here. And whatever changes you have, let's say for example, you can see that it says new task animation created, it's automatically added as a comment. So I can say something like, please complete this soon, right here, just like this, hit on send, and the comment will be sent just like this right here. So the other person will be able to go ahead and comment as well right here. So if I were to go ahead and close, then you don't really see any comments right here over there, just like this. So you do need to actually go ahead and open up the task right here. So here you can actually see that there is the task conversations that you can open up, that you can see, and then view out the comment. So all you need to do right here is go ahead and add out the comment. And that is how you can go ahead and add out comments to tasks to actually go ahead and communicate with people or your team members in a particular task inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.